The surrender of Germany in 1945 is the most influential event between all the other events. But before we state why we must win against personal computers, it is important that we go over the previous rounds. Our first round was against The Catcher in the Rye. This round was probably the easiest round for us. Yes, sure, The Catcher in the Rye was a bestseller and is still read today, but it has limited audience and there is only so much that a book can do. And if we really want to talk about impactful books, there are many better choices, like Night by Elie Wiesel. In this round, it was important for us to really emphasize how the effects of the surrender of Germany impacted the world rather than being limited to those who read and have the opportunity to with regards to books. The surrender of Germany showed not only the success of democracy, but also that the world will always work together to perish all evil. The second round was against the development of NASA. This round was probably the most challenging in terms of showing the impact of the surrender of Germany. That is because NASA was an association solely created to reach new heights and reveal the unknown for the benefit of humankind. One of the things we used to give the surrender of Germany an advantage was that, although NASA would prove to, in fact, make some remarkable discoveries, none of those really had a major impact on mankind yet. And though the future is promising, it is about the concrete present and not the theoretical and abstract future. Also because it's unpredictable and success cannot be assured. The surrender of Germany, however, proved to be very concrete, as it immediately prompted strong feelings of freedom and reliefs from both the Jewish people and the rest of the world. That sigh of relief and freedom developed in unions and programs to improve world stability and ultimately assured that there would be no another world war, which is still standing as of today. Our fourth round to come is against the personal computers, and although we have not yet finished this round, here is why we should win. Usually, the end of a war marks only a moment of glory, and the end of the most brutal form of destruction. The surrender of Germany, however, is not only that, but it also brings an age of persecution to an end. It gave hope to the world that we could work together to perish all evil, and most importantly, it carries such feelings as an example that no other event could possibly compare to, certainly not personal computers, that only have technological impacts. Those cannot possibly ever be compared with human rights that have been granted by the surrender of Germany of 1945.